Sunday morning. It is still, water was frozen this morning. I had to bring water from inside. So I have some pizza from a couple of days ago. I don't like the crust. I let it sit for a day, the crust, and it gets hard and I can easily crush it. And my birds love it. I just give it to them. Papa John's pizza, crust, basically bread. If you all see like some kind of like red poop over there, that is from the grit, because I fed them red grit the other day. That's what happens after they eat it. The poop is all like reddish in color. And people, many times ask me about like chickens and roosters. Those are not mine. Those are my neighbors. He has several roosters and chickens. They do come to my yard, but I don't keep chickens. You see that there's a crested saddle horn cockbird over there. That bird right over there. He carries brown. I didn't even know that. He's made it to kind of a kite hen. She doesn't carry crust. And I'll show you the baby. They throw me a brown bar baby. Matter of fact, I sold that crested homer cock, but he's going to Ohio. I'm shipping him tomorrow. He's going along with 3 other crested birds. This is one of the other birds. That's a crested, another saddle, like a dun hen. She's going to Ohio too. And then the others are, I have an almond crested, solid almond crested hen. She and the other one is a lot of people's favorite bird. A lot of people have asked me in the comments about it. Is the opal crested saddle cockbird. That's him right over there. I kind of scared everybody since I moved. That opal laced crested, him right over there. He's a big boy. Right over there. That's him right there. Yep, there you go. These both are. That's a black crested saddle cockbird. He's an opal. That's him right over there. He's going to Ohio too tomorrow. It's a very, very nice bird. Even though it's cold, the birds are still doing fine. Still finishing on the crest. That's the red stencil hen that I raised last year, red pearl stencil hen. So anyway, so that is the dad I was talking about, the crested saddle cockbird. And I'll show you the mom and the baby. So the mom is sitting right over there. The mom, she's actually like a black, some kind of kite. That is a baby. Baby is a brown bar. And the baby is going to be a hen too. Brown bar. I don't have that many browns, but some of these cockbirds carry brown. It's a brown bar. Hen. We got, look at that. These are two crested almond babies. That is one right there. It's going to be a nice almond. And here's another one. Both are crested babies. Both are crested almonds. They're going to be super nice. Back over there. There's a nice blue bar baby over there. I do like blue bars. That's the thing with the hobby. Like initially when you start this hobby, like everybody has blue bars. You don't really care for blue bars. You want all the other colors. But as time progresses, like you know, you start appreciating more colors. Like initially, I didn't really care for Andalusians. Andalusians were one of the colors that I didn't really care. I always liked almonds, of course, but I started liking Andalusians way more now. As a matter of fact, I had Andalusians and Indian fantails, Mookies, all the different breeds I kept. Here's another bird I think I talked about in the previous video. This bird was almost like a solid black. It was born, but as it ages, the hen is a grizzle. You can see the white color spreading over the body. And that's the same thing with Andalusians. Some of the Andalusian babies look like kind of bluish in color, like kind of a weird, almost look like a blue check homer, but as they age, the color will start to change. That boar right over there was a stray. I believe it's a tippler. It was hanging around my loft for like 2 days, and I was afraid the hawks would get it. So I caught the bird, that one right over there. And I put it in quarantine for like a couple of weeks. It was a healthy bird, and then I just added to my loft. It came out of nowhere. I know there's not too many people around this area who has birds, so I don't really know where it came from. But they are closing it out on the crest. There's only a few left. They're gonna break it down, so I might just take it and try to break it out for them. It'll be much easier for them to eat. There you go. So they will come and kill it pretty fast. Well, I got a couple more crusts that I'll feed the next loft. Got two more. Go to this loft and feed these guys over here. Again, you can also see that all the red poop that is all from eating the grit. Alright. I'll go back with you. Come on, Chris. On it. See, that's a perfect example of an Andalusian baby over there. See that baby over there? You can see like he has patches in there. That color is going to change completely after the molt. It's going to turn into a plain Andalusian. And there are some Andalusians that still come with the blue, and they would have some black patches on it. Over here. Try to get out the zoom. Try to zoom in on the Andalusian and all of those don't try to give too much to the rollers because sometimes they will waste a whole bunch, but the homers really appreciate it. And this is another reason why I keep all different kinds of colors of homers is because it's beautiful to see them. You know, some people will just keep a whole bunch of same color, which there's nothing wrong with it. I remember I used to, when I used to breed rollers a lot, and a guy one time bought like 4 pairs of red ball heads because that's his favorite color. That's all he keeps. He only wanted like 4 pairs of red bars. And I like to have all these different variety of colors, and it is kind of really fun to watch. When I used to fly these homers in different colors, and you see like 20 birds up in the sky with different colors, is a beautiful thing. That's pecking order. That is the Andalusian baby I was talking about. See the color, it almost looks like a mosaic when it's not a mosaic, it's just changing its color. That bird was almost like that reddish color when he was really young. Now as it is getting older, the colors are changing. Take it off the swing again. It really helps when you break them off and get it faster. Pretty sure even if I didn't break it, they would find a way to, like, you know, break it down on themselves and eat it. But that is Sunday morning. See, he got too much bread stuck in his mouth. I might need to go catch him, and he took a big chunk in his mouth and it's stuck in his mouth. We'll go help him over there. The other bird is probably trying to take it out of it. Stop the video and maybe help him out. I'm pretty sure he can figure it out on his own, but actually he did. Huh? Sometimes you don't really need to do too much. Birds can figure that out on their own. Right over there. Yeah, he's made it to that stencil head. He carries stencil too. Good pair right there. There's an almond to almond mating over there too. Little almond cock with almond hen. That's the thing about birds, and you sometimes think that they need a lot of help, but they're pretty smart. They try to figure out a lot of things themselves. See the water being like, it was completely frozen. I bought some warm water to put in there. Have these couple of chunks and see whether I can break it down for them. That's it. Pretty much cleaned it off. And if you can see those are my neighbors, like that's where he keeps the chickens over there in those coops over there. I don't have any roosters or chickens. That's all my neighbors. Yeah, I get it's. I have a hard time finding like red grit over here. I can find the whatever the granite color kind of grit. They don't really care much for it. They like the red grit. So I found some the other day and bought it, and I fed to all of them. They really enjoy it. That's a pair of almond homers right over there. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.